Hello and hi friends, welcome back to Krishna's tutorials. In this particular video, that is part 5 of CLAT 2022 series, we are going to discuss what are the benefits of solving previous year papers of CLAT 2020 and 2021, and I will also provide you the link to download the same. So before that, let me tell you something important of Unacademy platform. So these are the important features of Unacademy, where you can raise your hand and talk to the educator in live classes. There will be unlimited quizzes. You can access live and recorded sessions anytime and anywhere. It is an opportunity to learn from the best educators and NLU alumni. There will be weekly events like Know Your Exam, Topper Strategies, NLU Experiences by faculty. You can also access to national mock tests and sectional tests. Lavo Rama is a beginner's batch for CLAT 2023 friends. So if you are a 11th standard, definitely you can join this course in order to CLAT 2023. And there are also various courses for CLAT 2022 aspirants. So, starting on 13th October in Hindi, it is a 2 years course. Raise a hand feature live voice solution by the top educators, 50 plus additional mock tests and weekly sectional tests. Monthly CA and GK compendium will be provided. You can look over the mentor names. Then La Vista is also a beginner's batch for CLAT 2023, which will commence on 15th October 2021 in English plus Hindi. It is a 2 years course. You can read the futures and mentor names there. If you are taking any subscription on an academy platform, not only related to CLAT, but also any other course like GATE entrance, IIT, JEE, whatever it may be. So definitely use my code, that is GKK10, so that you will get additional 10% discount. Live quiz feature for the students are also there on Unacademy platform. Weekly test will be conducted like Unacademy La aptitude test, 60 minutes, 60 questions, 60 marks every Saturday, 11 a.m. Weekly T20 test will be conducted. Quick 20 minutes revision test for your everyday practice, 20 minutes, 20 questions, 20 marks. Monday English, Tuesday quantitative techniques, Wednesday logical reasoning, Thursday legal aptitude, Friday current affairs and GK. It is absolutely free and open for everyone. Subscribe to Unacademy CLAT and stay tuned. Comment on our videos and let us know what you feel. Do show us some love by liking and sharing our videos. Coming back to our discussion, first of all, I will explain you what are the benefits of solving previous year papers. First of all, by solving CLAT 2020, okay, and 2019 paper, which consists of new pattern of CLAT, right? Which is of more comprehensive based. So you will come to understand and okay, you will come to an understanding of exam pattern and question format. So by solving previous year papers, first and foremost, the benefit you are going to get is you will come to know the exam pattern and question format, right? Which is very important. And number two, you can able to identify the important topics if any. So you can just go through the two previous year papers. So if you are finding any question from same topic, okay, if you are finding same question, similar type of question from similar type of topic in two previous year papers, so you can focus that topic for 2022 and 2023 CLAT also. Then practice is one of the key factor to get success in CLAT. So you can of course start that practice with previous year papers, and it will help you to manage your time. There is 120 minutes, okay, there are 120 minutes and 150 questions. So you need to manage time. You need to read the entire passage and understand it within 5 to 6 minutes, okay, and less than it. Then only you will be able to solve the 150 questions. And you can assess yourself, means you will come to know which section you are good at and which section you are poor, so that you can prepare your studies accordingly. You can prepare a timetable and stick to it, right? So these are the benefits of solving previous year papers. So if you want to download CLAT 2020 and 2021 UG and PG papers, so link is in the description. Why late? You can just click the link and download those papers, which consist of key answers also there. But there are a very few mistakes in CLAT 2020 and 2021 key paper which I am providing to you. So you can just Google or YouTube, search in YouTube that CLAT 2020 key mistakes or key objections, CLAT 2021 key objections. So search like this, you will definitely get various uh, information related to key mistakes, and you can of course correct the mistakes in the PDFs I provided to you. So that's all in this video, friends. Thank you. See you with part 6, in which I am going to tell you preparation tips.